Atlantic City was planned and is sitting on 1,000 hectares of land. This is a city that is meant to serve or provide commercial, residential and business opportunity for low, medium and high end users. Yes, we all know that that's almost one of the biggest projects ever in Lagos State right now. Alright, why am I telling you this? Because the governor of Oyo State, in person of Governor Seyi Makinde, will soon be unveiling Ilu Tuntun Business District. It is called IBD, which will be sitting on a 2,000 hectares of land. Meaning, this project, IBD, will be bigger than whatever it is that we have right now in Eco Atlantic. That is worth times 2 of what we have in Eco Atlantic. You need to watch this video to the end for you to understand what I am telling you and where I am driving to, because I have spicy information for you as a real estate investor in the Nigerian market. Be right back. Yes, like I was saying, IBD, Ilu Tuntun Business District, will soon be unveiled by the governor of Oyo State, Seyi Makinde. And trust me, this is going to be one of the most audacious vision, bold step, whatever language you have for it. Trust me, as audacious as Eco Atlantic is the same way it's double audacity for me. Come on, to have this in Ibadan, in Oyo State, that is splendid news, if you ask me. Knowing that Ibadan remains one of the oldest Asian city in Africa, right? So it will be nice and lovely to have such an audacious project coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, why am I telling you so much about this project? Like I said, it's yet to be unveiled, but hey, you should watch out for this project. Do you also know that there is a train that takes you from Lagos State to Ibadan? And this train station has a port in Monia. Now, where is Monia? Monia is where we have Ruby City located. So, hey, this project I just talked about, the IBD, is also coming around this particular project. So, hey, are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you connecting the dots now? Now, what I'm trying to talk to you or to say to you as an investor is that this is the right time for you to invest in Ruby City. And trust me, this is going to be encouraging you to invest in just one plot. You should actually invest in as many plots as possible. For what? For investment purposes. Yeah, you might be looking at Ibadan right now that there's nothing much happening in Ibadan. It's dry. Lagos, come on. By the way, I've said it before and I'll say it again. Lands are getting more expensive, more scarce in Lagos. That's why we're moving to Ibadan. But apart from that, of course, there are so many infrastructure that is ongoing in Ibadan that people do not even know anything about. And that's why I am coming here to tell you some of these projects and then encourage you to invest in Ibadan. Because now, if you invest in Ibadan at 900,000 naira per plot and you buy, say, 10 plots, that's at 9 million naira, right? By the time IBD starts, do you know how much projects around that money will be selling for? Your guess is as good as mine. So, I don't want to say too much in this video, but I just want to say to you, because you are a smart investor, because you know when and in what you know how to rather identify an emerging market. I am advising you or pointing your attention towards this direction. So if you're bought into Ruby City, congratulations to you. If you're yet to buy, I want to say to you, you need to come buy into it and now. And please do not buy one plot. Why do I say so? When you're buying into emerging markets, it doesn't make any sense buying one plot. It makes more sense or perfect sense buying as many plots as you can. I still do not ignore the fact that if you cannot afford more than one plot, it's okay. But what I'm saying is for those who can, who have the resources, you should. Why? Because it's for investment, it's for land banking. You're going into an emerging market and waiting for development to catch up with it. Now, when development catches up with that emerging market, which you have invested now, you will cash out better. You will have more opportunity to enjoy high return on your investment. And usually when you have more than one plot in an estate, it's always better because you can sell some plots to develop the other. There are so many reasons why you should not buy more. You should buy more than one plot in emerging market, especially for places like Ruby City. All right, they told us that the price was going to increase on the 1st, but due to popular demand, again, we realtors, the way we go about this thing sometimes can be very funny. Yes, the company had listened and they have also postponed the date of price increase to 15th of December. So in less than 2 weeks time, the price will go up. So yeah, with this information that I just brought to you, like I said, they are going to unveil it very soon and I'm going to sit on top of it. By the way, Governor Seyi Makinde seems to be a vibrant man, a vibrant governor that wants to bring a lot. He's been doing a lot in Ibadan and he's doing more in Oyo State. So that's why I believe that he has a lot to do and he will bring this project to reality. It's called Ilu Tuntun Business District. I even heard that this project is going to be one of the largest projects in Africa. Come on, guys, sitting on the land of 2,000 hectares. Oh my God, even me, I'm gonna buy in Ruby City. Alright, so stop watching this video now. I'm sure I'm giving you more reason why you should buy into it. So yes, you should be calling me now. Let me help you reserve your plot. Congratulations once again to everyone who has bought. And for you who are still thinking about it, what are you thinking again? You don't want to own a property very close to the Ibadan. Ilu Tutu is not a quad. Semi-Eco-Atlantic, right? Ilu Tutu. By the way, I forgot to mention that they have started construction on site. In fact, the gatehouse is about standing. Let's take a look at the video. See? Can you guys see? See, the gatehouse is on construction. Trust me, Ruby City, they are not playing on this project. It might sound very cheap, but when they are done, you will love it. So yeah. Ruby City selling a 900,000 naira per plot of 500 square meter. And of course, there is a premium plan on the every details on the screen. So yeah, see you guys. Right now, I really have to go. So I say, oh,